Hey everyone, in this short tutorial I'll show you how you can export this snowflakes with transparency. So let's hide the background. So now I can see this is transparent. So let's export. So go to File and Export, Add to Render Queue. And in Format select QuickTime and video codec Apple ProRes 4444, and don't forget to select RGB plus alpha in channels and hit OK. So it's done. So you can see this is transparent. So background we have this blue color. So now you can see this. So this was a quick tip. I'll be posting this regularly, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please leave a like if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.